forgot to film when you put the lube on the O-ring. I gotta remember now that that was the plastic housing was rusty, so I won't be thinking that the filter is more contaminated
Yeah, you just
than
look
it
down here.
actually is. Just look at the bottom.
Yeah, look at the bottom.
Okay.
It's usually what tells you is you'll see the sediment start building up at the bottom.
Okay.
Wanna turn?
Wow. Your wife's lucky she's got a plumber in the house, you know it? All right, so now that red thing.
It's this one right here. I thought he put a little closer. And then this one back to the house.
And that one back up. That's it?
Yep.
Wow.
That's
Super.
it.